Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix ERR network change in Chrome here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is that you need to check if you have a stable internet connection or not. So navigate here to your taskbar at the bottom right side of it. You can see your Wi-Fi icon. Click on it. Click for this forward arrow key and try to check if you are connected or not. If not, try to connect to another internet or cable or Ethernet cable or internet device. In that way, you'd be able to check the problem. However, if the error still persists, then we need to move on to the next solution. And that is to flush the DNS cached. How we can do that? Simply proceed here at the bottom search bar, type for CMD. Once you've typed that, wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt, and from that, click for Run as Administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Now, from here, type for ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS, click for Enter key, and then this time type for netsh space winsock space reset. Don't worry because I'll be including this command at the YouTube description. Click for enter key and here it marks you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close the window, proceed here at day start, then click for this power menu button, click for restart. Once done, check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to try to change the DNS server. Press Windows key and R key together so that you can open the small window called Run. Type for ncpa.cpl, click for OK, and wait until you can open another window, which is the network connections. Now at the network connections window, just select what specific internet you are connected to. So if you are connected to an internet, then select on this one or network cable. Then if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, then select the other. So make a right click here, click for properties, and under the Wi-Fi or Ethernet properties, proceed to Internet Protocol version 4. Click for properties here. And from that, you need to proceed to obtain an IP address. This must be set automatically. And here, use the following DNS server addresses, turn it on, and set the preferred DNS into 8.8.8.8, which is the Google's DNS, and alternate into 8.8.4 for the second Google's DNS. Click on OK so that you can set it up. Close the window. Try to navigate to your browser and check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to clear the browser cache and cookies. Proceed to your Google Chrome, make a right click, click for open so that you can enter or proceed. So all you need to do is you need to wait until you would be able to open the Google Chrome. Once here, expand it first, navigate to the top right corner, click for three dots, scroll down, click for settings, which has the gear icon. Once you are here at the Chrome settings, navigate to the left side of that, you can find their privacy and security. Under privacy and security section, click for delete browsing data. Mark all of the boxes here, check, click for delete data, wait for some time until this would be done. Once done, check if the error has been fixed. But if not, proceed to the Chrome settings again in here. This time, proceed to About Chrome. And under the About Chrome, you can see here it's checking for updates. So if your computer is outdated, the moment you have access to About Chrome section, it will automatically update it for you. Wait for it to be updated. Once done, once you're nearly done, it will ask you to relaunch. Just have to click for relaunch so that you can completely update your Google Chrome browser. In that way, you'd be able to fix the problem. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.